We've got some time before we have to clear the next one. Let's play, Big Rig.
Oh, top idea, Carrie. I'll be Big Rig, and you, Scooch, can be his trusty sidekick, Chips the Wood Chipper.
Oh, vroom! So who can I be?
You can be Big Rig's arch enemy, the abominable snowplow.
Oh, I'm always a baddie.
Oh, that's because you're good at it.
Grr.
Snowplow, we're the wrong thing done.
The new trucks are playing a game. I don't know how they find the time.
Come on, Chips. We've got to battle our way through these fallen trees.
Don't worry about the fallen trees, Big Rig. I will chip them up. Chip, 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 chip. I'm pretending to be a wood chipper, see? Ha! Chip, 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 chip.
There's something strange about this place, Chips. Oh, the ground! It's giving way! I'm sinking!
So, Big Rig and Chips, you fell right into my trap.
It's the abominable snowplow!
Ha! You will never get out of that swamp. And then all the building sites in the world will be mine!
Chips, I'm done for. My treads just go round and round.
Oh, you'll never make it, Big Rig.
I will. I have to. There are jobs out there that have to be finished. Roads to lay. Bridges to build. So, for the sake of all machine kind, I've got to find that bit of extra vroom.
But, Big Rig, there's no such thing as extra vroom.
There is, and I'm going to find it. Vroom, 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 vroom! I did it, and now I'm ready to deal with that snowplow.
Hooray for Big Rig! Ha!
Have you finished your game now? Can I move through?
Sorry, lad.
Now, I know this was just a game, but can I point out that, technically speaking, there is no such thing as extra vroom. Each machine has its required amount of vroom, and that is it. No more.
Now, we know that, Lug, but Big Rig's extra vroom isn't like extra vroom. It's like extra vroom. If you need it, it will come.
Not if your accelerator pedal's already on the floor, it won't. Now, don't get me wrong. Playing games is all right for you new trucks, but for those of us with a few more miles on the clock, we have to keep our headlights on the job. Big Rig. Next you'll be telling me there's such a thing as the tire fairy.
Oh, isn't there?
Oh, Scooch.
Oh.
Oh, well, I'd better go and find Bozo and sort myself out a job. At least I know he's got his roof rack screwed on.
Is it a bus? Is it a plane? No, it's Big Rig. Rig of steel. He toots his horn at danger, flashes his headlights at fear. You will believe a truck can... Lug. I was, just going over your instructions.
Okay, boss.
No, actually, I have to admit it. I overheard the new trucks playing Big Rig, and it really took me back to when I was new. Actually, Big Rig's never really stopped being a hero of mine. I think there's a little bit of Big Rig in all of us.
Not in me, boss. I'm 100% dumper. To me, a hero is a site manager who can get a trench dug in half a day without hitting water pipes.
Well, Lug, you never know when you might need that little bit of extra vroom.
Oh, I'm quite in a vroom, thank you, boss. What I need now is a job.
Oh, right. Well, the job I had planned for you, Lug, is a bit tricky. You might need to take one of the new machines with you for backup.
Unlike a certain rig of steel, I don't need a trusty sidekick, thank you, boss.
Very well. What I need you to do is test out a dump site for me. Take a load over there and see how the ground handles it. It's a bit far away and in an area we've not really looked at before. But if we could clear it, it would come in very handy. But be careful, Lug. We don't know what's under that ground.
Oh, I see what Boza means about far away. Right then, let's get to work. I think I'll try dumping and see how the ground takes it. Pistons to automatic and dumping process initiated. Seems to be taking it well so far. What just happened? Oh no, the ground's collapsing under the weight of my load. Oh, there it goes again. I'm gonna try and rev out of this one. Oh no! That's all the revs I've got. I better use my horn. No, no one can hear me. Oh, it's no good. My treads are just going round and round. I'm done for.
Find that bit of extra vroom.
I beg your pardon?
You'll never make it, Big Rig.
I will. I have to. There are jobs out there that have to be finished. Bridges that have to be built. Roads that have to be laid. For the sake of machine kind, I have to find that extra bit of vroom. I did it! I found my extra bit of vroom. And now it's time to deal with that abominable snowplow.
We heard your horn, Lug. Are you all right?
What was all that about a snowplow?
Oh, I was, just trying to remember my instructions.
Oh, it looks like you found an old tunnel.
And it looks like you might have found that little bit of Big Rig.
You know something, Boza? I think I did.
He can come in very handy sometimes. Come on, Luggy, old boy. Let's get you back to the home base.
So, tell me more about this Big Rig character then.
Well, my favorite adventure is Big Rig and the Raging Bulldozer.
Oh, that's a great one. Especially the bit where he throws him over his bonnet. To take that, you doozy dozer.
Yeah, I love that. Dozy und he's a dozer. Oh, very clever.